Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I want to say you some mock exercise. Be ready students? Everyone sit in a place. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Okay? Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay children, sit in your places. Children, take out your workbook ma. Workbook part. Chapter number 7. Money. Workbook part. See, add and subtract money without conversation. See, multiple choice question. 44 plus 22. See, 44 plus 22. 44 plus 22. What is that answer? 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. What is that answer? 66 is the answer. Yes. Option B. First one, option B. See, 77 minus 44. In the 7, 4 should minus. Yes. 4 after up to 7 count. 4 after 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 3. The 3 you should write here. Here. 4 after up to 7 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 3. What is that answer? 33 is the answer. Where it is that option? C. Option C is the correct answer. Next. 50 plus 40. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 90 is the answer. Which option is correct? D. Option D is correct. Understood? Next. See, remembering and understanding. Multiple choice questions. See, rupees 20.50 plus rupees 10.10. What is the answer? Rupees 20.50 plus rupees 10.10. You know na? 20.50, 10.10. Should add. 0 plus 0, 0. 6, 5 in the mind, take 1 finger. 5 after 6. Point. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1. 2 in the mind, take 1 finger. 2 after 3. What is that answer? 30 rupees 60 paisa. Where is that option? B. Option B is the correct answer. Fourth one. Okay. Fifth one. The sum of rupees 11.11 and 22 rupees 22.22. What is the sum of? Sum of means what? See fifth one. What is that? The sum of rupees 11.11 and rupees 22.22. 11.11 plus 22.22. What is that? 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Point. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. What is that answer? C. Option C is the answer. Okay. Sixth one. The difference between 55.55 and 44.44. Difference. Difference means what? Minus you should do. As 55.55 minus 44.44. See, in the 4 should minus. 4 after up to 5 count. 4 after 5, only 1. 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 What is the sum? What is the difference? Tell me. 11 rupees, 11 paisa. D. Option D is the correct answer. Understood? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What is it? Fill in the blanks. Rupees 40.10 plus rupees 30.10. Seventh one. Rupees 40.10 plus rupees 30.10. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. Point. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 3. 4 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. What is that answer? Rupees 70.20. Understood? Next. Eighth one. What is that question? Rupees 55.40 minus 45.40. Rupees 55.40 minus 45.40. See, 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. S in the 4. 4 should minus. S, 0. 5. In the 5, 5 should minus. 0. Here, in the 5, 4 should minus. Which is, what is that answer? 1. What is that answer? Rupees 10 is the answer. Understood? Next, what is the question? Ninth one. Rupees 61.10 plus rupees 31.10. See, plus you should do. 61.10 plus 31.10. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. Point. 1 plus 1, 2. As 3 plus 3, 3 plus 6. 6 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. What is that answer? Ninth one. Rupees 92.20. Understood, children? Copy in the workbook, ma, these all. Next, 10th one. Already they given the columns. Yes, in that columns you should write the numbers, rupees. After that, you should do the subtraction. Okay. See, already I told you column. S, rupees column, paisa column, point column. S, see, what is that number they given? See, subtract rupees 33.33 from rupees 55.55. From rupees 55.55. Yes, 55.55. First you should write. Again minus symbol you should write. Again 33 rupees point 33 paisa you should write. Yes, Now you should do the minus. In the 5, 3 should minus. Yes. 3 after up to 5 you should count. 3 after 4, 5. How many fingers came? 2. The 2 you should write here. Again. Here also same. 2. Point. Again here also same. 2. Here also same. 2. What is that answer? 22.22 is the rupees 22.22 paisa. Answer. Understood? Next, 11th one. See 11th one. What is that question? 11th one. Add rupees 21.21 and rupees 11.11. You should add. First of all, in that column, rupees you should separate and paisa you should separate. Understood, children? See, what is that 21 rupees point 21 paisa? Yes, again 11 plus 11 rupees 11 paisa. 1 plus 1. 1 in the mind, take one finger. One after 2. 2 in the mind, take one finger. 2 after 3. Point. 1 plus 1. 1 in the mind, take one finger. 1 after 2. 2 in the mind, take one finger. 2 after 3. What is that answer? 32 rupees 32 paisa. Understood? Now 12th one. This is 11th one. 12th one. What is that? Subtract rupees 90 from rupees 91. Column. Direct rupees they given. They didn't give paisa. Okay. Rupee column they given. See. Subtract 91 minus 90. Yes. 1. 9 minus 9, 0. What is that answer? 1 is the answer. Understood? Next, 13th one. Thirteenth one. What is that question, ma? Short answer question. Add rupees 56.10 and rupees 32.50. What you have to do? You should add rupees 13th one. A1. Rupees 56.10 and rupees 32.50. Yes. First of all, what you have to do? You should draw the column. Rupees column, paisa column. Rupees column, paisa column. S, C. See here. Rupees, what is that rupees? How much they given? 56 rupees point 10 paisa. Rupees 32.50 paisa. What you have to here add? Already they given add. Add means what? Plus symbol you should draw. Okay. Now 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 5. 5 in a mind, take one finger. 5 after 6. Point. 6 in a mind, take two fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Here 5 in a mind, take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. What is that answer? 88.60 is the answer. B1. What is that question they given? Rupees 22.25 and rupees 37.45. Again should draw the column. Paisa column, rupees column. Okay. See, what is that rupee here given? 22 rupees 0.25 paisa, 37 rupees 0.45 paisa. Addition symbol you should draw. Okay. 5 plus 5. 5 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that only you should write? No. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 4 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 6 in the mind, take 1 finger. 6 after 7. That 7 you should write here. Point. Again. 7 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. 3 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. What is that answer? 59.70 paisa is the answer. 59 rupees 70 paisa is the answer. Understood? Copy in the workbook ma. One more sum is there. 14th one. I will do now. Now, 14th one, subtraction sums. See 14th one, what is that? Subtract. Subtract. What you have to do? See, rupees 45.40 from rupees 85.80. What you have to do? You should draw the column first. Yes. Draw the column. Rupees paisa. Okay. See, subtraction symbol, minus symbol. S. See, rupees 45.40 paisa from rupees 85.80 paisa. First, which number you should write? This number. Rupees 85.80 paisa minus rupees 45.40 paisa. Yes. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 8, 4 should minus. Then what you have to do? Up 4 after up to 8 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 4 fingers. Yes. That 4 you should write here. Point. 5 minus 5. 0. See here. 4 after up to 8 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 4. That 4 you should write here. What is that answer? Rupees 40.40 paisa. B. What is that question? Rupees 52.50 from rupees 93.90. Again you should draw the column. Okay, rupees column, paisa column. See, minus symbol. See, which number you should write first? From which number is here? 93.90. Again minus 52.50 paisa. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 9, 5 should minus. S, 5 after up to 9 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 4. That 4 you should write here. Here. 1, 2 after up to 3 you should count. 2 after 3, only one finger. That 1 you should write here. Here 9, here 5. 5 after up to 9 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 4. That 4 you should write here. What is that answer? 41.40 rupees. 41.40 paisa. Here rupees 40.40 paisa. Understood? Copy in the workbook, ma. These are workbook part.